Kamo kanye-ke noKhumo bamenzani kahle-hle umkhwenyana-ke Kamo. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 26th to the 30th of May 2025 on Monday. Lucy knows when she's being lied to. Lulu rallies the intent to stand together. Jack does something he would never have done before on Tuesday. Kumo warned his sister not to arouse suspicion. Charmaine breaks shocking news to Pele. Melokuhle delivers a juicy intel about the chairman on Wednesday. Mpho is shocked to hear what his girlfriend did. Goku Zanele comes face to face with pressure. With pure evil. Juju still into the hospital to finish what he started on Thursday. Namhla knows she's in over her head. Kamuhelo is excited about getting the answers he craves. Figile fed up with Lucy's attitude on Friday. Kumo gets an ominous warning. Jack manipulates his daughter into or for information. Pele will risk jail to protect his own. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.